That was the Raspberry Mountain and Herman Mountain Loop Trail, located in Pike National Forest, Monument, Colorado. This day was a great winter day. A little cold in the morning, about 20 degrees. Wore sneakers. Feet got very cold very fast. Don't recommend bringing sneakers on this if you're hiking early in the morning. As the day went on though, it did warm up. This hike we did counterclockwise. We went straight up to Mount Herman first, and it is pretty strenuous. It's a lot of elevation gain in a little amount of distance. In a little over a mile and a half, we got 1,700 feet of elevation gain, so it was pretty much just straight up from the beginning of the hike. Traction on my shoes helped greatly, especially going up in the beginning of the hike. I could just imagine trying to descend there. It'd probably be a little tricky in the snow without any traction. Hiking up to Mount Herman, definitely challenging. It's a great workout. The views up there were okay, nothing really mind-blowing. There's some nice views of Pikes Peak, but once we got done, we got off of Mount Herman, we got back onto the Raspberry Loop Trail. When hiking to Raspberry Mountain, you want to look for two cairns, and that's where you just kind of hang a right or left, I guess, depending on which way you're coming from, to get up to the top of the summit of Raspberry Mountain. The views there are pretty underwhelming, not that great. I mean, it's cool and all, it's great to be outdoors, great to get some exercise in, but probably won't be returning here and wouldn't drive more than an hour to do this hike. There's a little summit register there. We didn't put our names in this time, but other than that, the summit of Raspberry Mountain is not really that great. The rest of the hike from Raspberry Mountain, it's very straightforward. I do highly recommend though having some kind of GPS map, because there's tons of connecting trails. Some of the trails aren't even on the map and they may lead to private property, so you just want to make sure that you have some type of recording device that's showing you where you're going. Saw some mountain bike tracks on the trail. Did some research. This trail, this loop is very popular with mountain bikers. During the winter though, on this day, I didn't see not one. And we were on the trail for maybe 3 or 4 hours. Lots of it is just really walking through a forest. We saw some people that had snowshoes on. They looked like they were having some fun. Overall, I think this trail is great if you just want to get outdoors, get some exercise in. This is also a great trail for trail running. Saw a couple of trail runners on the trail utilizing it. If you're looking for mind-blowing views though, you're not gonna find them here. Parking at the trailhead, there is plenty of parking there. There's a couple spots where you can park if you want to do this loop. Didn't see any wildlife out there today, but tons of birds singing. All the birds seemed happy, and it's always great to see fresh snow on the trees. I just love that. I think it makes it look a lot. I think it makes the landscape just look beautiful. Today's hike was filmed on the Nikon D780 with a 24mm 1.8 lens and accompanied with the GoPro Hero 9. If you enjoyed this video, greatly appreciate a like. Leave a comment if you've been out here before. Let us know what the trail conditions are. But until the next hike, I'm Dave Spates, hiking, adventure, photography.